She doesn't like you.
Not so cute and cuddly now, is she? Run, Mitty. Run. Run to safety.
She doesn't have any brains. What do you think she's gonna do?
What is she doing?
What is she doing?
Oh my god, I don't know. I want this cat.
Oh, bless her. What are you doing?
Look at my chin.
You do realize this is on camera?
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You are retarded.
No.
So if you don't delete that, I'll punt you in the face.
Oh, she's getting pissed. Go.
Get out of here.
Run for shelter. Go.
Run from Chelsea.
She loves me. Look, she won't leave. Just
Yeah,
kidding. She probably
because-
hates me.
She.
See, this is how you know she's dumb, when you torment her and she comes back to you. You see where we're going with that whole thing?
I don't care. It means I can, like, throw her down a flight of stairs and she'll just come back to me.
Yeah.
What cat does that? Exactly.
A
it's just
retarded
that.
cat.
It doesn't matter. It's the best cat. Like.
Retards don't live very long. Especially retarded.
Mike, I'm 12. I'm almost 13.
I know, you've only got a couple of years left, man.
Oh,
When's your birthday?
February 29th.
She gets a birthday
Weird.
once every 4 years.
Really?
Yeah, Sam, you don't turn 3.
So are you like 2?
She's, yeah, 3. She's 3.
3.
She doesn't turn 4.
I had a birthday last year. Yep.
She doesn't turn 4 till she's 16. Isn't that sad?
Yours is just 3.
I know.
Oh.
Oh, it's fine. Stop it. Take her.
I don't want it. Get it out of here.
Don't call her an it, Mike.
Get it out of here. Yeah, shut up.
It's not it. I will scratch you with the plaster that's on my sleeve.
Oh, what?
I have plaster on my sleeve from art because I make like this retarded dragon.
I thought you were going to say giraffe. That would have been
Someone is making a giraffe.
Who?
No.
It's probably Brian, but I'm just kidding.
I need to stop.
To you too.
Sam, if you don't delete that, I'm going to hurt you. You don't understand.
Do you know how retarded this is gonna be?
Exactly.
Like I'm just gonna look like a complete turtle, like.
Hey, Sam, want to break your fancy camera?
No. She's already seen
I'm
him.
going to say it's yours.
Zoom in.
Oh, see this one?
Yeah.
I feel like that's my favorite. Sam, doesn't that, how long does that record for? It's
How do you take it off Zoom?
They have it has like 15 minutes of video.
Record.
But it depends on how much space is in the memory card.
Do you even have a memory card?
Mm-hmm. So it can hold more.
When did you get one?
It came with one.
Sam, zoom.
But it sucks.
Where are you? Oh.
What?
How do you take it off of Zoom? Like this?
Yeah, those are one way and zoom in, one way zoom out. I don't know which is which.
I got it.
I don't think it's recording.
Dirty bird.
Let me see.
That little part.
It's recording. Stop it.
There's a little thing that
No, come on.
Ooh, get the Mustang poster.
Dirty bird.
They're yours.
What?
Get this.
Oh, bitch, what?
Rape.
Rip my hoodie. Only assholes do that. An asshole. Not really. Not really. Here you go. Oh, click.
Don't sad, Mom.
Get off!
You made me sad.
Put a smile on. I was singing the McDonald's theme song.
What?
It's like, put a smile on, everybody come on.
Wait, be my arms.
You got you to laugh. Okay.
Some arms together, Mike. No, do the Tarzan thing.
What?
Yeah. Cough fest.
Alright.
Have a drink.
Wait, go this way. Wait, let me out.
I lost my arms. All gone.
Was it Iraq?
Vacuum cleaner. I'm loved. Look at what happened to my arm. I feel like a chicken. I feel like a chicken. Like, you're really loud.
Want me to close the door?
Hang on, my arms are coughing.